Hi, I'm Dr. Rowena Winkler, Assistant Director for Graduate Student Career Development at UMBC's Career Center. We appreciate your interest in the College Teaching and Learning Science Certificate, one of the Office of Professional Programs' outstanding certificate offerings. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the employment of post-secondary teachers is projected to grow 8% from 2023 to 2033, and there are currently about 118,900 post-secondary teacher jobs in the United States to choose from. To put things in a more relevant context, graduates from UMBC's College Teaching and Learning Science program specifically work at community colleges and four-year colleges as instructors and teachers. Their average salary is $84,380, with many finding work full-time. We look forward to having you join us as we are excited to be a part of your career journey. If you have any questions or need more information, feel free to reach out to us at professionals@umbc.edu. Thank you so much, and we can't wait to connect with you.